You don't have no locking lug nuts on your car, do you? Locking lug nuts. Okay. I'll call you right back. I'm doing the tire change on the highway, Sil. I'm not being too careful if you keep calling me every 5 minutes. What? What? Alright, I'll call you right back in about 10 minutes. Damn. Yeah. Jeez. Turn your wheel back. Yeah. Can you lock the steering wheel?
What's that?
Can you lock the steering wheel?
I don't know. I don't know how, like, manually. I'm not gonna know.
Listen, no. Oh, this ain't no good. Yo, lugs are rusted, man. That ain't no good. Your lugs is rusty, man. That's no good at all. When was the last time your tires been rotated or changed?
These are, we just had the car since last summer, so we haven't really been using tires yet. So I don't know, but the people who had it before us are like my in-laws, family. It seems like it's such good care. The way that it happened was just all like, all of a sudden it kind of started pulling a little bit through the joints, and then it was more subtle, and then next thing I knew it felt crazy and
Because nah, that's
pretty sure that the previous owner said he had last year or something like that. I don't know why there's, it's not that old of a car, I don't know why they're so rusty.
well. I'm gonna have to suggest him. I'll give him a call and let him know he had to call back for a tow.
Yeah.
Those those lugs right there are too rusted, and I can't get them off.
Right.
I can't even, my air ratchet can't even get it off.
I wonder if they're all like that. That don't look like that.
Nah, that one looks good. That one's look good. I don't know, man. This one right here, I mean, these they are rusted
Yeah.
on there.
I wonder if maybe the last person didn't change that tire because they couldn't get it off, and that's why it exploded.
It's possible.
Maybe
It's possible, but yeah. Even WD-40 ain't even doing nothing to it.
right. So does your company do tows, or does somebody else?
No, they had to call there. That was stripped. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Yeah. What he had to do? I'll give him a call back. Let him. I'll give him a call back and let him know, because I think you're. Let me ask you this. I don't feel comfortable with you being on the highway. I mean, if you want, I can take you up to. I think there's a gas station up on 91.
Yeah? Is that the most sector?
Yeah.
That would be cool. I mean, we're allowed to leave the car here, or?
Well, you can. I mean, you can leave. I'm sure if the cop come, they'll give you like a warning ticket or something like that. But as you can see, I mean, or unless you want to take a chance and drive on it. I mean, the rim's already messed up as it is, but.
Yeah, I've been here for like 2 hours, so.
I mean, I would take you up to the. I would take you up to the gas station, and you'd be able to call what's his face, and he can come and pick you up, and then you guys could set up a tow. I really don't think you need to be with the car for the tow truck driver. I think what the tow truck driver could do is just come here and hook it up and put it on. But you have anything important in the car? I mean, you can leave the passenger side door open. I mean, unlocked. You can lock all the other locks. Just leave the passenger door open and just let the tow truck driver know that the passenger door is open. It depends. It depends. I really don't. I've seen a lot of tow trucks. Is this a 4-wheel drive or a rear-wheel drive?
Well, it's not 4-wheel drive, so.
They're gonna need to send. Yeah, they're gonna need to send a flatbed. He may or may not need the keys. You know.
Alright, well, I suppose if we were nearby, like at the gas station, if someone was there and if they needed somebody, we could come right by and get them. Okay.
All right.
My phone's about ready to
Die. Yeah. I'll let him know. I'll give him a call as soon as I pack up.